To fix apps that won't download from the App Store, try a simple restart by pressing and holding the power button, then sliding to power off. Once your device restarts, attempt to download the app again. If the issue persists, ensure you have a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go to Settings, select your name, and sign out. Then, sign back in and try downloading the app again. Make sure your device is running the latest version of its operating system by going to Settings, General, and Software Update, and install any available updates. Verify that you have sufficient storage space on your device by checking Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. If an app is stuck during download, touch and hold its icon, and choose Prioritized Download from the menu. You can also try clearing the App Store cache by opening it and tapping on any of the buttons at the bottom of the screen for 10 minutes. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support for further assistance.